Hi, I'm Paul Seal from codechair.co.uk, and today I'm reviewing the AUKEY 88-key UK layout mechanical keyboard with blue switches on. Now, I received this keyboard a week or so ago. I've been using it in the office at work. I've really enjoyed using it, even though normally I don't like the sound of people typing. Even a normal keyboard, if someone's typing on it, I just don't normally like it. However, I've never actually used a mechanical keyboard before this one, so this is what it sounds like. It's anti-ghosting keyboard as well, which means you can press multiple keys at the same time, and instead of it freezing up and blocking those inputs, it actually sends those through. It's just very satisfying to type on. It's got all the keys that you would need apart from this section over here, which is missing. Now the reason why it's missing is because it's a gaming keyboard as well, so it's ideal for gaming. And when you are gaming, if you're a serious gamer, you'd have a bigger mouse mat so that you can strafe slower across a bigger distance, so it helps with aim and things like that. So if you've got a smaller keyboard, that gives you more space on your desktop to be able to do that. The buttons themselves come off nice and easily. So if you need to, you can clean it or what have you. As a developer, it's very useful because it's got all of the function keys that you need. So if you need to F10 or F11, things like that. It's quite a heavy keyboard as well, not too heavy, but it feels very well made, very solid, which is good. So I quite enjoy the fact that it's so solid. Apparently it's waterproof, and at the end of this I will test it out to see if it's waterproof. I've got some water here, and I will pour it over to see if it is waterproof. I have been testing on it to see if I'm faster at typing with it or without it, and from my results there wasn't any difference really. I'm averaging about 46 words per minute, so apparently that comes out as fluent. I'm no expert typer, but let's do a bit more typing just so you can hear it again. Yeah, so as you can see, it's very satisfying. It sounds satisfying. The one complaint is that it's pretty much an antisocial keyboard. Unless everybody who you work with has got headphones in, I wouldn't recommend you have this in a quiet office. Where I work, we do have a quiet office, and it really annoys people, the sound of it. It's actually been outlawed at work. I had to promise that I would only use it for a certain period of time because they just cannot cope with the sound. However, this is ideal at home, or if you've got an office of your own, or if everybody's got them, it's definitely ideal. Another positive about this keyboard is that it's small enough for me to put in my laptop bag, so that when I take my laptop out with me, I can also take this keyboard and have this satisfying experience of typing on the keyboard. So it's portable, whereas when I've had keyboards before, and I want to take them with me. It's sticking out. You've got about that much of it sticking out. Obviously this section over here where the numbers pad is, you have that sticking out the top. So this is perfect size for taking it out with you. If you have any troubles, you can replace the keys. When it comes to this section over here with the number pad and the enter key, I did find the only key that I really missed was the extra enter key that you get with that, so that's not really a problem for me. I soon got used to just coming back to enter over here. Right then, so the moment of truth, let's see what it's like when we spill some water on it. Will it still work? Let's see. So I've accidentally spilled water on it. What am I going to do? Well, hopefully I'll just be able to wipe it off and carry on using it. Right, so let's get to drying this up. I'm not sure of the best practice for getting water out of a keyboard. I'm guessing you would just try and shake it out. And what I can do is, as well, if I need to, I can obviously take the keys off and give it a good dry, but I'm going to keep the keys on because I feel like they might be protecting it. In the meantime, I am going to test to see if it actually still works. As you can see, even though I spilt water over the keyboard, it still worked. It still let me type everything out. I'm very impressed with this keyboard, and I'm going to give it a 5 out of 5 rating. I'd recommend anybody to buy this keyboard. Just be aware about what I said about working in an office. I would recommend this to any of my friends. I'll leave a link in the description for this keyboard, and I think currently it's around about £20 for this keyboard on Amazon. If you want to get this keyboard, you can go directly to codeshare.co.uk/keyboard, and that will take you directly to this product on Amazon. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please click on like, subscribe to my channel, and share with others. So, happy typing.